Hey, what's up everyone? Aubrey Trades here. Welcome to another pre-market watch list. Going over the top gainer scans and potential trade ideas for the day. Let's get into it. Okay. Showing up on the gainer scans first. We got RELI. In the sevens now, which means we're back in the top of this range from the day one of our move. Go ahead and turn on this extended hour so we can look at this pre-market action. Now forming a solid base, a potential entry maybe if it gives us some sort of a trend break, but hasn't been consolidating that long. 10-minute is still very, very extended. Let's see on the max weekly. We kind of got an all-time high here around the names, 907. Oh, keep that level in mind. Man, is that really the all-time high? That is pretty cool. So this could get really nutty, especially if volume really starts to come in. We base, top candidate for a dip and rip out of the open. That would be amazing. Next up is going to be BVXV, which is sort of failing. Kind of hit 5, but is underneath VWAP. On the 35-50 EMA on the 10-minute. We go to that daily chart. Let's see what's happening here. Yeah, so I mean we're rejecting off of this 200 EMA line. We really want to see us get and base over that 350 in order for this to continue higher. So not really interested unless I can see that action out the gates. LVO. Same sort of thing, not really liking it. Let's go ahead and look at that daily chart. Ew, muy ew. We got 150s as a level, we got 170s as a level. So we'll keep an eye on that if you're going to play it. Letter of intent to license, potentially acquire. Okay, that's not anything that fancy to be excited about. BFRI. This has been like a top shortlist mention, but it seems like it's failing here, so not really sure how well or how much this can do. We might be on the backside of this move, but we got this trend line here to keep an eye on the overall sentiment. And we also got this here. So I don't like that it's failing that, but I mean anything's possible. If we can reclaim that 11s, 12s range, we could see this open up again. Don't know that, I don't know, weak open red to green if you're interested in playing it. Anything else we got? SOPA kind of chilling here in the 12s, 13s. Maybe it wants to get back into the 15s. Either way, PYR is looking okay for a day two. Like it held up half its gains. We'll watch this for a third day surge potential. RELI's just not gonna stop. MBOT from yesterday still kind of hanging around. We kind of got this base here too, so we'll see if it wants to do anything, continuation move or what have you. And on the large cap side, I have an open put position on NVIDIA from here into this gap resistance, so I'm hoping to sell out into a wash. I've got some out of the monies at 100 and in the monies at 107, so we will see. I also have 310 NVIDIA calls, which are looking pretty good right now, and some 160 out of the money DocuSign calls. So we talked about the DocuSign as a good potential reversal play. RELI, I'm so mad that it's doing it without me. That's like so annoying. But anyway, yeah. So we're looking at DocuSign for a reversal. Today, I'm looking to establish some positions in PayPal. Also for that reversal, we got that higher low here. We got that trend line break. I want to see that rotation up to 200, possibly break out into 215. So I'm looking to swing that. I'm looking to swing square, another trend line break idea, consolidating nicely off of these lows. Gonna look for that breakout over 175, and then Affirm and Upstart are some other ones to keep an eye on. Affirm, see how these all have a similar kind of look here, and Upstart, boom. I think these could be some good January runners, and they're well off their highs. And yeah, so that's about all I got for you. If you got value out of this video, please hit that like button. I mean, if you made it all the way to the end, you probably liked it. Just give it a little tap for me, huh? It really helps out the YouTube algorithm, helps grow the show. Consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next video. I'm Aubrey Trades. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.